Hello everyone and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to create a clickable link in Canva PDF documents. So you can attach a link to a text, images, icons, buttons or grouped elements. So click on a text box, image or shape in your design to highlight it. I'll just choose this text right here. With the element selected, look at the floating toolbar that appears directly above it. Right, now here you click on more and then choose link. And then in here in this field, you just paste the link to your destination into the search bar that appears, and then press enter on your keyboard to apply the link. So say paste this link here, press done, done again, and now as you can see it's got this underline right underneath it, and now whoever clicks on it will go to this particular link of your choosing. In my case it's just a simple YouTube link. That is it guys, enjoy the guide. If this was helpful, make sure to leave a comment and subscribe as well.